Okay, it is now 3:25 a.m. and I've been trying to adjust my mic, but I want to get this down, so I hope it records a little better than the last couple of videos. But it is Tuesday, May 3rd, and it is 3:26 a.m. New York time. So it's about 3:30 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. Um, I haven't done this in a while as far as actually showing, some trades here. I forgot to set my stop loss on this, but I'm kind of getting a little bit. I want to go down to the next price level. Strategy. This will give you indications of where to set good stop losses. So don't take my advice on stop losses. I'm going to say this. I said it 1,000 times. I'm going to say it again. I'm a risky trader, so you use your own discretion on your stop losses. Now, the whole key to it is keeping your margin level up. Okay, so if you've got something that's on a run, like the U.S. dollar here, this is the Euro USD. So the euro is actually beating out the dollar. Has been for, well, it's kind of in consolidation mode here yesterday, but it's been gradually kind of beating out the dollar. And today I see it's making some major moves. That's why I forgot to set my stop losses, because I don't expect it to drop, at least not while I'm watching it here. You can see where I'm in profit. Now these are getting ready to take profit. This one's getting ready to take profit. And um, so I'm going to post this probably a day late. And so, don't take my word for it. That's why a lot of my videos are, pretty much all my videos are at least about 48 hours. I post them 48 hours after I make them, because I don't want anybody copying my trades and then blaming me. So anyways, the best Forex strategy will teach you how to do this. Get consistent profits. Now you can see I'm $279, $277, $280 down right now. I have one other trade out that I've been holding out on, and I'm not going to show it, but it's gaining ground. So I've just been holding out on it, and these things, like, this is the Euro USD. Okay, so it's kind of in consolidation up and down. Then it kind of went up, consolidated, up, consolidation a little bit, up a little bit more, consolidation some, up a little bit more. Now, I'm thinking, well, this is going to go up at least to take profit here at $58.40. So that's what I got it set. Now, when you're sitting here and you're watching these things, you kind of want to, you get tempted to want to move the goalpost a little bit, but don't do it. I usually go to the next price level. Now, it's at a point now where there isn't really a next price level. It's up about as far as it's going to go for a long time, so you really don't have anything to go by. It's creating a new price level right now. So it's a little tricky, and then sometimes when they're dropping, they'll do the same thing. They'll go down to a point where they haven't been for a long time. So you got to stick to your guns, and I usually try to get at least 200 pips. Now this one is 292 pips. So it's going to go up there and take profit. But what I started to say was, a lot of times when they go up like this, they'll retrace, and you can tell if you go back, in time on some of these, you can tell. See, like here it was kind of consolidating or whatever, and then it went up, and then it went back down. It retraced. Now that's not a guarantee it's always going to do that, but you can see where it had been dropping here. It consolidated a little bit, and then it went up, and then it went back down. It retraced, and then it went down some more. But see, then it turned around and started going up. See, these things go up and down. They only got two directions, up and down. And that's why, a lot of times I'll set my stop losses kind of high, and I'll hold out on these things, because if it makes a drastic move, in a certain direction, then what'll happen is it'll retrace at least a little bit to where you won't lose as much money. And so anyways, I explain all that in my best Forex strategy. Actually, the things I talk about are kind of taboo in the Forex market, and I don't understand why. Don't look at how much money you're going to lose. Look at how much money you're going to win. You know, when you got a basketball team goes out, they're not looking at how many points they're going to lose by. They're looking at how many points they're going to win by. You don't. Life is not like that. You don't look at what you're going to lose. You're looking at what you're going to win. You know, and then yeah, losses happen, but you know, if you're concentrating on your losses, then that's what you're going to have. You're going to have losses. You can see already I've took profit. You know, this one didn't turn green because I closed it out, but this one took profit and this one took profit. I'm at $150 in profit already, and this is only it's 3:30 a.m. on the 3rd of the month. So because I've got these set where it closes out and then I start over every month. So last month I was up quite a bit. So this was one that I was holding out on a little bit. So it was 15 cents. I said after I got up to $5,000 that I was going to once I got up to $5,000, I was going to increase my lot size. So that's what I did. I went up to 0.20, which I say is 20 cents. Some probably argue with me, but I don't count my stuff the way a lot of people do. I don't care. I'm not a pippy hippie. I really don't care. All I care about is the bottom line, and I measure that. You know, and the whole thing is you got to keep your margin level up. Keep it above 300 at a bare minimum. I like to keep it above 6. This is growing a smaller account, so I'll go over all that in the next video. I've already taken too much of your time now, so I just wanted to point that out and make this video real quick. So I'm going to watch this a little bit, and as long as it's, you know, it's in the 96.3, there we go, 97.3, and I mean, so this is going to continue to go up. If it starts to go back down a little bit, I can always close it out and just take profit at wherever it's at. But you can set alerts, you know. So I teach all this in the best Forex strategy, the Codex of Money. You get a free copy of the Codex of Money because part of the strategy is in the Codex of Money. It's the mathematical formula for success. Or you can just pick up a copy of the Codex of Money. There's quite a few ideas in there on how to make money. So just check the description below. There's links to the blogs. I don't have pop-ups. I'm not trying to inundate you with pop-ups, pop-unders, sign up for this, sign up. No, you take it or leave it. I don't really care. So anyways, I'll teach you how to do it. I'm not going to charge you a fortune for it. You'll see. It's just check the website, check the blog, and you'll see. It's I'm not trying to make a fortune off it. Invest your money in trading. Don't spend your money trying to learn to trade, especially when they're teaching you how to lose. Really, and that's what I'm finding. They're teaching people how to lose. So don't learn how to lose. Learn how to win.